BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Spirit E-310. Big difference in price right off the bat, huh? The Q1000 is around $229, and the Spirit E-310 is like $619.
Yeah, huge difference. So what are we actually getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Q1000 is all about portability. It's a small tabletop grill, only about 27 pounds, perfect for tailgating or camping. It has a cooking area of 189 square inches.
Okay, that sounds super convenient. But the Spirit E-310?
Much bigger. It's a full-sized grill, weighing almost 117 pounds, and the cooking area is a whopping 529 square inches. So you could cook for a whole party.
Right, so size and capacity are major differences. What about the burners?
The Q1000 has just one burner, putting out 8,500 BTU. The Spirit E-310 has 3 burners.
3 burners. So more even heat distribution, I'm guessing? And more total BTU?
Exactly. The Spirit E-310 definitely wins on power and even cooking. The Q1000 uses those small, disposable propane cylinders, while the E-310 hooks up to a standard 20-pound tank.
Some more convenient for longer grilling sessions. Less running to the store for those little tanks.
Yep, and the Spirit E-310 has features like tool hooks and an easy-to-clean grease management system. The Q1000 is more basic.
Makes sense, given the difference in size and price. What about the materials?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, which is good for heat retention and easy cleaning. But the Spirit E-310 has a heavier duty lid and cookbox. It seems to be built to last longer.
So basically, the Q1000 is a great portable option for smaller grilling needs, while the Spirit E-310 is a full-fledged grill for serious outdoor cooking.
Pretty much. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you need something you can easily take on the go, the Q1000 is the way to go. But if you want a larger, more powerful grill for home use, the Spirit E-310 is worth the investment, I think.
Okay, that clears things up. Thanks.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.